Hello guys, I hope you all are good and everything is fine. So today I'm gonna show you how to play Clash Royale without downloading in your PC. So first of all, open your Google search. So after that, you need to search here Cloud Moon. So you can see here web.cloudmoonapp.com. You need to click on that. So as you can see here, Clash Royale. So after clicking on Clash Royale, your new tab will be open. Click on the play. So now your Clash Royale is open. As you can see, I am playing my Clash Royale on PC. You can also log in your Clash Royale game. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe and bye.